Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the ball joint on Mazda 3. That's the ball joint that I'm talking about. In order to remove it, first we need to remove this bolt holding the ball joint to the wheel hub. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we need to take out the ball joint from the wheel hub assembly. I'm using a slide hammer to remove it. Next I'm going to remove the nut holding the CV joint to the wheel hub, and I'm going to remove the CV joint from the wheel hub. I'm going to put the drive axle up there and hold it with something so that it's not in my way of removing the ball joint. Next I'm going to remove the ball joint. I'm going to use an air hammer to remove it, but in order to use the air hammer, first I'm going to cut the top part of it so that it's easier to remove it. Now that I've removed the top part of the ball joint, I can hit it with an air hammer and it will come out. Before hitting it with an air hammer, first make sure you put the ball joint on the ground. I'm going to put this metal pipe underneath to hold it from vibrating when I hit it with the hammer. I'm going to put it on, the metal pipe on, and then I'm going to bring the car down, and now it's not going to be vibrating when I hit it with the hammer. And now I'm going to start hammering it, and it should come out. And that's the ball joint out. Next I'm going to put on the new ball joint. I'm going to use a special ball joint installer kit. You see the kit. I'm going to be putting this long ring on the top of the ball joint, so that when we push the ball joint in, the top part of the ball joint is not going to touch this long ring. And this is the ball joint installer tool. I'm going to push in with this tool the ball joint. That's how the whole assembly looks like. A long ring on top, and this thing is going to push on this plate on the bottom, and it's going to push in the ball joint. I'm going to use a pneumatic gun to push it in quicker. It's much easier with a pneumatic gun. We can see the ball joint is already going in. And now it's in all the way. Now we can remove the tool, and we're done with replacing the ball joint. On some cars there might be a lock ring, so if there is a lock ring you should remove it before removing the ball joint, and then afterwards you should put on the lock ring, but on this car there is no lock ring, so we're done with replacing the ball joint. Now we're going to assemble everything in the reverse order. Now we're going to put the ball joint in its place, put the bolt on, put the bolt on the CV joint on, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.